Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera not working, iPhone camera lagging on iOS 16 and iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, so guys, first of all close the recently opened apps. So guys, after doing this, open settings, scroll down and tap on camera here. So scroll down, preserve settings. So tap to disable this live photo. So after disabling live photo, go back. And so guys, if your iPhone is heated, so cool down your iPhone. So guys, after doing cool down, so guys, if you have activated low power mode, so disable your low power mode on your iPhone. After doing low power mode, simply go back and scroll down and tap on general and iPhone storage. So guys, free up your some iPhone storage. So I have lot of storage on my iPhone, so simply go back. So guys, after doing this, the last method is tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, then check your iPhone. So if you have any update, so simply update your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.